Here I am alone in this empty room. Let my mind just fly through the air. Thoughts of you still linger in my memory, wondering why my life started failing. I could still recall those memories of you, the joy and all the love that we've been through. Oh, I can't believe you're gone. I don't want to remember things we used to do. All the things that reminds me of you. And I don't want to hear those songs we used to sing. 'Cause I don't wanna feel that feeling in my heart. Talking to myself for a reason I can find, finding out why everything went wrong. Keeps falling down my chain that I've been right and wrong. Just don't know if I could still go on. I wanted you to stay. The days began to show. You said you cared.